And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. So what I have here is something very much interesting. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Strawberry Angel Food Cake Blizzard. I almost was about to spoil the name, but I make sure I rehearse it. And this is melting just a little bit. Check this. And it's been a while since Dairy Queen came out with a new Blizzard, a couple months maybe. But when I saw this, I was like, what? Strawberry. And this literally reminds me of a couple of videos ago. I tried, what's it called? A&W had a strawberry turnover, which is crazy. It was actually delicious. And now Dairy Queen have strawberry. Well, this smells really good. They have a strawberry angel food cake blizzard. So I'm going to have to start trying it right away before it starts melting and start to overflow. Okay, here we go. It's like there's bits of like cake batter in there. Mm, I can taste strawberry like it's authentic. It's not only flavored. Oh, oh. This is my mouth smacking. For you guys that hate it, I'm so sorry. Like my mom. And my mom watching this, she's probably driving me crazy. Hearing that? Bro. Mm. Okay, I think I need to stop because I'm getting carried away with this. Mm. Man, that's cool. Okay, let me stop. So with this, I gave this an 8 out of 10, hands down. It was definitely delicious, worth a try. And I think this is a summer special. Like it said, flavor for summer. Like Dairy Queen have like I'm guessing like a summer menu where they have this and they have cotton candy. I did that already a couple of videos ago. And they have s'mores. Excuse me. They have s'mores brownie. I did that already also, so there's no sense of me trying about this. Other thing is new, so I'm guessing this is a summer special. But it is incredible. It always amazes me just how like when places are rotating things, they always have like same flavor. Like say for an example, Dairy Queen have a strawberry angel food cake blizzard, and A&W have a strawberry turnover. And say for an example, Wendy's will have a strawberry frosty, Burger King will have a strawberry milkshake. It's almost like same flavor, but the style of making it is different, the texture is different. I'm guessing that's why you stay competitive. Where it's like, you know, if your opponent over there is having a strawberry cheesecake, you want to make sure over here you have a strawberry pie. and over there you want to have a strawberry muffin. You know what I mean? So it's like, okay, they're doing that over there, so let's have the same flavor. It's like being competitive, if that makes sense. But this is actually incredible and it's worth a try. Definitely worth a try in my book. And I was about to say it's limited edition, but it is seasonal, so I'm guessing it runs for the summer. Right now, this moment, it is April, about to be spring, or spring already, or spring is approaching. Whatever. Outside is so nice, it's like 17 degrees Celsius right now. At this moment, I'm making this video. Outside is warming up. The birds are out already. I see people in shorts already. You know what I mean? Like outside is looking good for summer. It's almost time for me to get that drone flying all over the place now. But this is actually intense. So if you get a chance to try to let me know what exactly you think. It's delicious. And like I say, you know, like when you have when you're eating like the raw strawberry, it was actually, I think there's bits of strawberry in this. So it's not like flavor, you know, like when you're drinking, say like a strawberry, when you're eating like a strawberry ice cream or whatever, and you can taste the strawberry, but you can't really taste the actual strawberry. No, like you're tasting the strawberry, but when strawberry is mixed with something, then you can taste it. But like when you're coming across the actual strawberry, you can taste it, the actual fruit. Like there's bits of the actual fruit in this, if that makes sense. For an example, if you're eating like a cookie and cream ice cream or Oreo ice cream, and then you know you're eating the Oreo ice cream, but there's no bits of Oreo itself in it, if that makes sense. But there's bits of the strawberry fruit in it, like it's flavorful with the strawberry, but like there's bits of the Oreo, not Oreo, strawberry. Sorry, I love Oreo. That's why. See if you get a chance to try it, and let me know what exactly you think. I'm gonna end this video, edit it, eat my supper, and then I'm gonna come back and crush this. So yeah, so remember it's, I would say seasonal, but still try it if you get a chance to try it, and let me know what exactly you think. It is amazing. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You're going to enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.